Look up, look up. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. If you love plants, look at my shamrock. Beautiful. Follow my channel for more upcoming video with these beautiful plants. I have some plants what growing out of water. So like, share, subscribe to my channel for all the more upcoming video and enjoy beautiful plants. Enjoy the beauty of shamrock. These are shamrock blooming, beautiful garden. So follow, like, share it with your friend and enjoy the beauty of nature. Love always, everyone. Enjoy.